Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GRNH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, and on Friday, the big thing was, the price had broken below that pink line there, and that's just not a good sign any way you slice it. But I'd commented on, the sooner the price gets back up above that pink line, the better. And the bulls came back in a fury, in a good way. Again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I point that out because, as you can see here, that opening 30 minutes, price not only gapped up, but got the big old green candle, and then even after that, spent the remainder of the day grinding its way upwards. So yeah, the bulls back on track from the big picture perspective. I say from the big picture perspective because, there are different perspectives. If you bought right there as a day trader, or you bought right there as a day trader and you wanted to sell within 5 minutes, then yeah, for you, the chart's still looking kind of rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then, circling back to what I was saying, yeah, this price action with it getting back above that pink line, that puts the big picture perspective, back on track, because that's what you wanted to see. The price is now up above, its long-term moving average, and it's even up above the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. So a good solid day here and a great way to start off the week. Now it's just all about building higher bases and just continuing to work its way upwards. So let's map out a couple new levels of support and resistance. Although I suppose from a support standpoint, kind of already talked about that. So going forward, the key level of support, ideally if the price can hold up above that purple line, that would be best case scenario. But if the price does fall back below it, then you definitely want to see the price stay up above that pink line, just because that is the overall trend indicator. And if this overall movement is still in the bull's favor, then you want to see it stay up above the pink line. But the good news is that, the price is way up there and that moving average is down there. So the bulls did a fantastic job of creating some distance between these two levels. Now for the fun stuff, where are some of these potential areas of resistance at? First level of resistance has actually already been broken, but I want to see if it's a true break or not. And that level is right here at 12.5 cents. A true break, or what is a true break, I should say, is, well, it has two parts. The first part, the price has done it. The price is, well, broken above the level. But then the second part is, can the price maintain the break, or is the price going to just fall back below it? And that's what I want to see going into tomorrow. Now, if you want to say, well, no, this has been broken, fine. But as far as I'm concerned, I've just seen too many breakouts where the price barely peaks its head up above level resistance and then price falls back below it. Not saying that'll happen here. I'm just justifying and explaining why I'm not going to quite call that a level of support yet. In the event this is a true break and the price continues to head upwards, next key level of resistance in my mind is up there at 13.5 cents. So 12.5 cents, 13.5 cents, next two key levels of resistance. But no doubt about it, very, very nice way to start off the week. Good solid day, so we'll see what else the bulls have in store for the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.